Hi guys, we are checking out the new multi-tool from the Nextorch. When you open the box, you will see a nylon cover, the tool itself, and a simple guide. The box isn't fancy, but the nylon cover feels tough. Okay, let's talk about the look of this tool. It's not silver. It has a black stone-washed finish. It looks rugged and cool, different from the usual stuff. There is a clip and a ruler on the back, so you can easily carry it and measure stuff when you need it. Let's try out some of these tools, beginning with the scissors. They cut paper just fine, but they are kind of awkward to use because the blades are too far apart. Next up, the pliers. This can handle pretty thick paps, so they are pretty strong. The knife is decently sharp, good enough for regular tasks. The saw's got thick teeth, so it handles basic outdoor stuff without any issues. Plus, both the knife and the saw lock in place, which is great for safety. It's also got some tools you may not use as much, like a strap cutter, a screwdriver, and an oxygen tank wrench. We all know Nextorch makes good flashlights, and they are pretty tough. But if they really want to compete with the other two brands, they still got some work to do.